Hello friends and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Shaylee's making a shake. Nummy nummy. Alright, today I thought I would take you along as I just get some stuff done. It's a stormy day. The rain's coming again. Darn it. I'm just getting the stuff done. The last couple of days my anxiety has done pretty dang good. But today, and today is Saturday, I could feel it. So I'm gonna work through it. That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna work through it. So I'm just gonna find some spots that are just been bugging me and I'm just gonna clean them. There's gonna be no rhyme or reason. I'm just gonna get to work and work through my anxiety. So come clean with me. Apron's on, let's go. Okay, first thing I did to help my anxiety was went through the pencil drawer, crayon drawer in my buffet table. It's part of my homework station. As you can see, it got a little out of hand. So I like cleaning drawers first when my anxiety is up. Just organizing the spoon drawer or just something like this to start with. Aha! My lip liner. Because it helps my brain go somewhere else, eases me into the process of decluttering or cleaning, and really motivates me. So I'm hitting this first. Permanent marker. This is supposed to be down in my office, not up here. Oh, folding towels. This is my favorite thing to do. Favorite. This relaxes me so much. And this will usually be my first go-to thing when I do chores to help motivate me. Love folding towels. So we buy our toilet paper in bulk from Costco, and I store it in my towel closet on the bottom section on the floor. Now this is actually Shaylee's chore, but I ended up doing it because I just wanted something easy to focus on and to do to help with my anxiety. So shh, don't tell Shaylee. Yeah, I don't think this needs any explanation. I was like, this is the chair the kids love hanging out on in the basement, and I know there was crummies in it, so I gave it a good vacuum. Okay, these are the drawers that are on our TV stand upstairs in our living room, and it kind of became the catch-all for wires and just stuff. So I went through it all, kept what we needed in the drawers, and Derek put the rest of the wires and things away, and I put the rest of the things that I knew where I needed to go away. Oh my goodness, this closet. I think I organize and clean and declutter this closet once a year. This is my medicine/linen closet. So first, what I'm gonna do, which I do every year, is I go through these containers that are labeled and throw out anything that's expired. Just make sure we're up to date, to go through them all. Next is the sheets. I like to keep all my sheets in sets. Look at this pile of sheets. These are all clean. Went through and made them into their sets again. Some of them are already still in sets. I had Callie help me fold this sheet blanket. I used to love seeing my mom and Grammy fold sheets like this in the living room when I was a kid, so I just had to do it with Callie and capture it. So once I got all the sets put together, I put them back in the linen closet. This one here is all of Derek and I sheets. This one here is all the kids' twin set ones. And the one down here at the bottom is Callie's double bed. And this little container is just all extra pillowcases that I like to have on hand for company. And this is the donate pile that I have here that I'm gonna give to the DI. So I was able to declutter and get rid of some. My lip got swollen. I peeled a piece of skin and then I ate a banana and got like some sort of reaction. Now I look like I got something done on my lips. Nice. Well guys, thank you for joining me today. Just going in order of doing those things, just cleaning the things or tidying the things, helped that little bit of anxiety go away. So I just took my time today and just picked a couple of things that would just clear my mind and just fade out and just to do. So it helped the anxiety and I got some things done. So I hope that motivated you to get something done, open a drawer, tidy it up. I noticed that when I do have anxiety, I'll do things on my phone, like games that kind of take my mind away, or a jigsaw puzzle or something with my hands that will make it go away. And I've also noticed that when I'm unmotivated or have anxiety or can't get going to do anything, if you open a drawer and just clean something out, tidy something, it kind of lifts that anxiety away or that fog or whatever away and gets you motivated to get going. So I hope that motivated you today, and thanks for joining me, and we will see you soon.